Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this pulse animation to your Blogger website. Now if you want to learn how to create this from scratch using HTML and CSS, I have a video on that. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So in this video, we will add this to our Blogger website. So let's get started. Right here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and we can add this design to a post or a page. Let's add it inside a post. So let's go over here to posts and let's click on new post. And here for the title, I'll just add a title. I'll just type pulse animation for now. You can add your own title. And the next thing you need to do is you need to change this into the HTML view. So by default, it'll be in the compose view. So click on this button and click on HTML view. Now here you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag for that. Now let's go to our source code and let's copy the CSS from here. So this is our CSS. So I'll just copy everything from this line of code till the end. And let's paste it inside the style tag. And now let's paste the HTML. So let's go to the HTML file. Let's copy this HTML markup from here. And let's paste it over here. So I'll just go outside the style tag and I'll just paste it over here. Now we can see that we have this image over here, and the source is set to images/kingfisher.jpg. But right now in our Blogger website, we don't have this image. So we need to first of all upload the image. I'll just go ahead and insert the image right here. So let's click on this insert image button and let's click on upload from computer. Now here we can see I have this image called kingfisher.jpg. So I'll just drag and drop the image right here. And let's click on original size, and let's set the alignment as none, and let's click on OK. And here we can see that the image was uploaded, and we just need to have the link of the image. So I'll just copy the link from here. So it is inside the href attribute. So let's copy this link and I'll just paste it right here. And now we can go ahead and delete this. So we have the link of the image, and here we can see we have the animation. So you can change these to whatever you want. So if you go to our source code, here we can see in the style or CSS file we have the animation. So right now it is set to scale 1 to 1.5. So if you just change this to something else, so for example, if I just change this to 2.5, this is how the pulse will look. So in this way, you can go ahead and customize this animation to your needs. And here there is the duration of the animation. You can change this to whatever you want as well. Right now it is set to 3 seconds, and all these pulse divisions will be running the animation after 1 second each. And then we have the color of the pulse. So you can change this to whatever you want. So once you've made all the changes, you can go ahead and publish your post. So now let's go ahead and click on publish and confirm. And the post was published. Let's click on view. And here we can see that the pulse animation is working, but we have some problems in the CSS. So the image is not being displayed correctly. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And let's see what's the problem. So here we have the image. And here we can see that for the post body image, there is a height set to inherit by the theme itself. And if we remove that, we can see that the image is displayed correctly. So if we scroll down here, we can see that for the round image that we have in our design. So if we go to the HTML file, here we can see we have this class of round image. And for that, we have this height of 150 pixels, but it is being overridden by this theme CSS. So what we can do is we can add an important over here, and now we can see that we have the correct height for the image. So let's go back to our post, and here for the height, let's add an important. And there is one more thing we need to do. So let's reload this. Now what we will do is we will add some margin above and below this image. So right now it is touching this date over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the HTML. So right now the HTML has this division with the class of pulse container. So let's go ahead and add some margin over here. So let's type margin of 30 pixels top and bottom, 0 for left and right. And let's reload. And now we can see that we have this margin over here at the top. I think we need to add some more margin top, so I'll just inspect this element. So let's go to pulse container, and let's go ahead and add a margin top of let's try 50 pixels, or I think 60 looks alright. Let's also bring this to the center, so we can just add a display of flex and justify content to the center, and it'll be positioned in the center. So let's copy these 3 lines of CSS, and let's go back and paste it over here, and let's update. And now we can see everything looks alright. So that's basically how you can add this pulse animation to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.